did not start last time. So let's go ahead and check this battery. What do we need to do here? Okay, so looks like I'm going to go grab a battery charger and find out what's going on. Let's see here. Okay, went and got my trusty battery charger, so we're going to hook it up right now. Okay, got our battery charger. Let's go ahead and hook this guy up here. Let's see. Get our positive on there. Get the clamp on there. Right there. Get the negative. Let's see here. Negative on there. Okay. We got this idea manual 12 amp. Okay, so now we're gonna go through. Let's see here. We got. Let's put her on. Choke. Propane tank. Open. All the way open. Okay. Looks like we got it going on here. Let's see. So we did get this. Let me go back a little bit. I found this on Marketplace for like $600 some. Talked them all the way down to $350. When I looked at it, they couldn't start it. Had no key. So, of course, this being Home Power Journal, we offered them $100 for it because we don't know if it runs. Anything about it. They told me it was brand new. So when we looked at it, it's missing the handles. The rubber stoppers right down here on the front weren't even on it. It looked pretty good. So, but they couldn't tell me if it started or not. They didn't know. They said it was new. So when I went and looked in the gas tank here, there was not even any gas in it at all. Not even touched it. So in the last episode, we went and checked the oil, and right here, and it had none in it. So we put some oil in it, put the stoppers on, went to start, no battery. Okay, now let's see what we got going on here. Okay, here, on. Okay, circuit breaker off. We're gonna auto control off, and everything else. What we got going on here? We are on charge. Are we charging? Yeah. Try it. Hitting the start here. Let's see what we got. Do we got anything? Let's try to see. All right, well, there you have it. There's my $100 Facebook find. pretty much. If you like this, please like, subscribe, and check out my channel, Home Power Journal. And then also there is a first video of this when I first get it and we set it up. So thanks. Have a good day.